Hello, my dear students. What's going on? It's all good? Great. Students, today we are going to learn a topic number 3.9, writing skill. Okay? So, here given some instruction. Now we are going to see that. Okay? But first tell me, you know soap bubbles? Have you seen ever soap bubbles? क्या आपने soap bubbles कभी देखे हैं? When mama is washing clothes or washing utensils, आपने कभी bubbles देखे हैं? कैसे create होते हैं वो? How it's formed? So today we are going to see one activity, which on that activity we will see how to create a soap bubbles. Okay? So the topic name is how to create a soap bubbles. How to create soap bubbles. Okay? To create soap bubbles, what we need? See, here the given things you need. Half a spoon of detergent powder, half a glass of water, 1 sheet of paper, sellotape, and a spoon to stir. Okay? Now see. And here they are showing a method. Half a spoon of detergent powder in the glass. Add half a spoon of detergent powder in the glass of water. Roll the sheet of paper to make a straw. Fix the straw using the sellotape. Dip one end of the paper straw in the soap water mixture. Blow air through the other dry end of the paper straw. You will see soap bubbles being formed. Now, we will see the ingredients we need to take this activity. Okay? Okay, student. See here. A half spoon of detergent powder, half glass of water, okay, 1 sheet of paper, and a strip of sellotape, and a spoon to stir. Okay? Now we will do this activity, and I hope you all will enjoy it. Okay? So ready? Okay. Okay, students. So first, we have to add this detergent powder. Okay? This detergent powder into the water. Okay? See. Add a half spoon of detergent powder in the glass of water. See, I took here bowl to see the bubbles properly. Okay? And stir it nicely to mix the detergent powder in the water. Okay? Now, roll the sheet of paper to make a straw. See, like this way you roll it to make a straw. Okay? After that, fix a straw using a sellotape like this way. Okay? See. Now it will look like a straw. If you have a straw at your home, you can use that also. No problem. Now dip one end of the paper straw in the soap water mixture. Okay? Help. Come on, blow it. See, students? Wow. As you can see here, bubbles, bubbles everywhere. Okay, thank you. Okay, you can see here the bubbles form. Nice, no? See. Wow. Okay, students, you also do this activity at your home. Okay? Very good. Okay, student. After making a soap bubbles, there is one more activity to make lemonade. Okay, lemon juice. You miss everybody is drinking no in summer season because we are feeling hot. Okay, and lemonade जब हम drink मतलब जब पीते हैं तो we feel nice ना, we get energy. So आज हम सीखेंगे. Today we will learn to make a lemonade. Okay, see what is given here. Now write the instruction to make a lemonade. Use the following words and phrase to write the method in your notebook. See, that method you have to write in the notebook, and how to write it, that I will explain you. Okay, first I will show you how to make a lemonade. Okay, so are you ready? First we will see what ingredients which we need to make a lemonade. See here, a juice of half a lemon, a pinch of salt, 2 spoons of sugar, 1 glass of water. Okay, now let's see. Okay student, see here, we need a glass of water, a pinch of salt, 2 spoons of sugar, half lemon juice, okay, and a spoon to stir. Okay, so let's get start to make a lemonade. First take a glass of water. Okay, now add 2 spoons of sugar in this. Okay, now add a 2 spoons of sugar in it. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, then add a pinch of salt. Okay, like this. Enough. Then stir it to mix salt and sugar in the water nicely. Okay, and after that add a juice of lemon, and again stir it well. See, our lemonade is ready. Okay, you taste it and share your experience with me. Okay, you can do this activity. While doing this activity, tell your parents to make a video and send it to me. Okay, okay students, so I hope while you making a lemonade, you all will enjoy it. Okay students, now turn your textbook page number 47 and come on page number 48. Okay students, this is your page number 48, textbook page number 48. See, read and understand. As you can see here, fruit basket. You can see here fruit basket, right? So now just read it. Fruits are good for health. Full stop. As you can see here given a full stop. After, while sentence is completed, we are putting a full stop, right? I like to eat apples, comma, mangoes, comma, grapes, comma, pineapples, comma, pears and guavas. Full stop. Okay? Eating fruits will keep you strong, comma, healthy and active. So students, see, what is the given here? Comma and full stop you can see, right? A comma, see, a comma is used to separate words of same series and give a soft pause while reading. Okay? So, students, जब आप कोई भी चीजों की लिस्ट बनाते हो ना एक साथ, तो एक के बाद एक जब हम वी आर राइटिंग इट ना वन बाय वन, वी आर पुटिंग अ कॉमा. ओके, जब एक ही टाइप की किसी चीज के बारे में जब हम लिखते हैं तो बीच में क्या देते हैं? कॉमा. ओके, बट जब हम एंड मतलब कब तक देते हैं? जब तक हम एंड ऐड नहीं करते. लाइक हियर सी, I like to eat apples, mangoes, grapes, pineapples, pears and guavas. See, pears और guava के बीच में कॉमा नहीं दिया है. क्यों नहीं दिया है? Because they have written here and. तो जब and होता है तो हमारा जब मतलब end कोई चीज जब हम completely जब end करते हैं तो उसके पहले फिर and add करके वो चीज का नाम लिखते हैं, right? So these are the fruits, means how many fruits? Apple, mangoes, grapes, pineapple, pears and guavas. तो guavas के बाद कोई फ्रूट का नाम नहीं है ना. अगर होता तो pears, comma, guavas, comma, watermelon and कोई और फ्रूट का नाम होता तो वहां पे कॉमा बढ़ जाता. मगर यहाँ पे pears के बाद guava पे खत्म मतलब फिनिश है ना, तो यहाँ पे बीच में क्या दिया है? and. Okay, so don't forget that. So here also, eating fruits will keep you strong, healthy and active. Strong, healthy and healthy के बाद क्या दिया है? Active. तो healthy and active. यहाँ पे भी and है, right? So don't forget that. While we have to put full stop and comma. Okay, when the sentence finish, we put a full stop. Don't forget that. So see here. Let's list down the things in your classroom using commas. Okay, see, the teacher is asking to the students, our classroom has a blackboard, comma, a table, and what things you are every day you are looking to the classroom. क्या क्या देखते हैं हम क्लासरूम में? Like blackboard, tables, right? Chair, then bench, bags, books, notebooks, chalk, eraser, duster. Okay? And जब आप खत्म करेंगे ना तो and last chart. तो यहाँ पे हमें सारी चीजों के नाम लिखने हैं तब तक जब तक हम and तक नहीं आ जाते. Okay? So as you can see here, our classroom has a blackboard, comma, a table, comma, benches, comma, desk, comma, a cupboard, comma, a dustbin, comma, books, comma, notebooks, and chart. So here I finished my list. So I did not put here after notebook, I did not put here comma. Okay? So understand? I hope you all will understand. Now students, here the explanation of this topic is finished. Now the writing part of the same topic we will see in the next session. Okay? Till that, take care and do your homework on time. Okay students, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.